Welcome, my ladies and gentlemen, to my Halloween video on an accidental retiree. Yes, yes, yes. I'm Tammy E., otherwise known as Wandella the Witch. I wasn't going to do it this way, but I decided I would anyway. I'm going to make this a spooky Halloween video of me unboxing one of my favorite things from my home. When I was a young maiden, I taught in a small town in Wisconsin called Boulder, and my alias was Wandella Witchwort. Yes, kitties, I'm back. I'm back. Just on Halloween. Now for the serious part of this video. I decided that once I got the third one of these, I was going to tell you about it. This is a garbage can inside, and I got 2 of these for my daughter's home last year, and my garbage can broke this week, and I decided I would get one for my home here in Neenah. And so I will be unboxing this, and in the next clip you'll see what this wonderful garbage can looks like. They used to be $99 on Amazon. Now they're $107, and they're well worth it. So this is the garbage can. The only thing is I do have to be careful, and I can't keep it under the counter as much as I want it to, because it hits. I slide it back. It does hit the countertop a little bit, but if we're careful with it, we really don't have to worry about it. It's just you can't press all. Well, wait a minute. Hey, it fits fine. First I was hitting it and it was banging it, but it's fine where it is. I'm so happy. I don't know why it hit and banged before. Anyway, this is the garbage can that I've been waiting to get one, and now I have it. And we can see there's a scrap of paper down here. I'll have to put that in there after we get a bag. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Please do subscribe to my channel, An Accidental Retiree.